Okay. Exercise 9.1. Question number 4, that is subtract. The question is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. This is the question, right? So let me start. So first of all, we must be careful. Before we start doing so, we need to subtract. Okay. Subtract, it means we have to find the difference of both of this expression. First of all, you observe how many algebraic expressions are given. You can see here, we are given this first expression and this is second expression. Now, what we have to do, we have to subtract second expression, this, and we have to subtract first expression from second one. So we need to write this first here in a bracket. So very beginning step, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus between this 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus equal to. Now for next step, what we have to do? We need to open the bracket. So I have here 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now as we know here it is minus. Because of this minus, we need to change the sign. Here it is minus. So first what do we have here? This is 4a. So let me write 4a. Then 7ab. Then 3b also. And 12 also. But how to decide the sign? Because of minus sign outside the bracket, we need to go with this. Here it is minus. So this will become plus. Because of this plus, so this will become minus, and this is plus, so this will become minus. Now, after doing this procedure, we need to put like terms together. So, which are the like terms? Here we can see in this total 2 algebraic expressions, total how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 terms are there. So which are like terms among this? So let's see. 12a. Here a. So any other term? Just look at it is minus 4a. Then next minus 9ab. This term and it will be similar 7ab. Then 5b minus 3. Then here minus 3 and this minus 12. So this is the technique only with which we can write like terms together along with the sign. Be careful about sign because while writing and copy down, don't change the sign by mistake. Okay, whatever the sign in the previous step, the same step we need to repeat. Now 12a minus 4a. Simply here how to simplify. We know that here it is a, here it is a. So we need to we need to work out on the coefficient of it. So 12a minus 4a, 12 minus 4 gives the result 8a. Now work out on this minus 9 plus 7. Minus 9 plus 7, it gives the result minus 2. And this AB is there, so minus 2AB. 5B minus 3B. We are subtracting plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3 gives the result 2B. Minus 3 minus 12. Same sign addition. So it is minus 15. Now no such a common in that. Nothing is common in all these. So we can't take out anything. So this is our of this. Here in exercise 9.1, question number 4, it's the B part we are solving here. The question is subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now you can observe here we are given two expression. This is our first expression and here this one is second expression. Okay, total two expressions are there. And if I ask you how many terms, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 terms are there in these two expressions. Now we want to subtract first, first sorry, from second. Means we need to write this second first. So we need to mention in a bracket first 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz in one bracket. And between them minus sign should be there. And here 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx equal to. Now let's go with that. If I ask you to open the bracket now. So simple, you will say here it will be 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. This already in first equation, first expression. Now here it is minus. So we know outside the bracket it is minus. So we need to change the sign. So this will become, this is plus. So this will become minus. And this is minus. So this will become plus. Okay. So I am mentioning it with my red marker. So it will be here. Here it will be minus and here it will be plus. Here. Now in the next step, we need to write like terms together. So which are like terms here? Let's note down 5xy. Any other term 5xy? Yes, this is here. So let me write minus 3xy. Then here 2yz minus 2yz and any other term in yz? Yes, it is minus 5yz. So this is here. Now here next minus 2zx. Any other term which is zx? Yes, of course, this is 7zx. So which term is left alone? All these 6 terms are used, so only this term is left alone. So let me write it at the end. Now let's work out on this simplification part. We know that these two terms are like, so I need to work out on this. These two terms are like, these two are like. Okay. Sometimes you will find zx in place of that xz. That is also same thing. Zx or xz same thing. Xy or yx same thing, like that. Okay. Now work out on their coefficient. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, it is 2xy. Yeah. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. Minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7 gives the result zx plus 5z. And here last digit, last term is 10xy. This is the last term we need to mention. So total in final answer, we are having 4 terms. Yeah, this is the complete solution. Okay, so exercise 9.1, question 4, it's the C part. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. This is total first expression and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. So it is a polynomial. And what is the second expression? 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Here also in this expression 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. Okay. So as usual it is from given. From indicate that we have to write this expression first. So let me write it in bracket. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square, and between that minus sign is here. We are subtracting. Now I'm going to write this 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 12. This is the complete solution. Sorry, this is the complete expression. Now equal to. As usual, we are opening the bracket. While opening the bracket, we are not going to change any sign of this first expression. So we will have 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus. Now let's change the sign. So here what do we have? 4p square q, which is 3pq, then 5pq square, then 8p, then 7q, and this 10. We have opened the bracket. Now, as usual we know, as we are opening the bracket, here it is minus, so I wrote it minus. This term is minus, so this will become plus. This term is plus, so this will become minus. This minus 8p, so this will become plus 8p. This plus 7q will be gives the result minus 7q, and minus 10 it will become plus 10. So you can see with the red marker I have marked here, we are changing the sign. Now let's write like terms together. Which are like here? So first of all I am choosing 18. This is constant term. In all these expressions, this is 10 is constant. Then minus 3p. Along with that, if we find from there, p wala term is this plus 8p. Then minus 11q. Along with that, this minus 7q. Then we'll work out on this plus 5pq. Any term with pq? Yes. Got it. 3. Now here minus 2pq square minus 2pq square. Pq square wala term is this pq square. So let's write it here minus 5pq square, right? And then this term, this pq square wala term, then this we have to work out upon this 5p square q. So p square q wala term, this is already with that written minus 4p square q. Now before proceeding, once we need to confirm everything. Okay, so as we have seen here, this is like, these are in like, they are like terms, these two are like terms, these two are like terms, and of course these two are. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 terms are there. 6 plus 6, 12 terms are there. Fine. Now let's simplify. Very easy procedure. Equal to 18 plus 10. It gives the result 28. Please note down. Work out on the coefficient. Minus 3 plus 8. Minus 3 plus 8. It gives the result plus 5. Minus 11 minus 7. We know that same sign addition but sign remain minus. So 11 minus 11 minus 7, it will be minus 18. Plus 5 plus 3. So it gives the result plus 8p2. Minus 2 minus 5. It gives the result minus 7p2 square. Plus 5 minus 4. Plus 5 minus 4. So that is plus p square 2. One p square we never write, so p square 2. This is our required result. Clear to you?